In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage friends on BeReal application. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up BeReal app and then right here at the top left corner hit at that two persons icon, that's actually friends icon, and here you can manage your friends. The first top here is suggestions. Here it will show you any suggested friends. I got no friends once, so now I got no suggested here. Then right there you can tap on friends. It shows you up all your contacts, and right here you can invite those contacts to BeReal application. All you have to do is tap right here at invite to and invite that person using your messages or iMessage. So you can just send a link to your profile to that specific person. Just tap here at send button to send a link. And then also from here you can tap on requests tab, where you can find all your friend requests. Here I got no pending request right now, but if I got some, here I will see them, and from here I can apply them or I can decline those requests. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.